Hello, this is Erin from the Cheshire Public Library, and today I'll be teaching you how to download and use FaceTime to connect with friends and family. A note before we start, FaceTime is a free iPhone application and isn't offered by Android devices, such as Samsung phones, Galaxy tablets, or Google devices. Follow our YouTube channel for future videos on how to video chat on these other devices. Let's get started by unlocking our phones by double-clicking the small circular button at the bottom of our screens. After unlocking my phone, I need to download the FaceTime app. We're going to go to the App Store to do this. Start by looking for this icon on your phone or iPad, and then to open the App Store, just tap the icon with your finger. Here's the App Store's main page. We're going to click on the magnifying glass in the bottom right-hand corner of our screen first. This brings up the search function of the App Store. Tap the search bar at the top of your screen with your finger, and this brings up the keyboard, allowing you to type in FaceTime. To start your search, click Search on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. The first result is what we're looking for. You're going to click the download button on the right hand of the screen and it will download to your phone automatically. Then open FaceTime. To start a call, tap the plus sign in the top right hand corner of your screen and now you can type in who you'd like to call from your list of contacts. I'll give my mom a call. Type in Mom, which is her contact name in my phone, and tap on her name and then the green button on the right hand side that says Video. This starts the call with the other user. And here's my mom. Hi, Mom. When I'm done, I click the red X button on the right-hand side of the screen to end. Remember, FaceTime only works between two users with iPhone or iPad devices, and if the other party accepts the call. This is a great way to connect with family and friends. Thanks for watching. You can ask questions in the comments below or follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see the latest videos from the library. Stay safe and be well.